Hello everyone. Welcome back to Nahi Bol Sakta because this is the first time we're doing this. So welcome to Pasha and Perry podcast. This is more like a very loose end podcast. Just we're going to talk about certain things, okay? Yeah. Because I am meeting her for a long time and many people in my DMs were interested in knowing about your perspective, interestingly. So she was in demand. So I brought her.
Oh my god.
She's basically my best friend since class 9th. We had our break speech, but she is the one.
Yeah, like I'm still studying here, so like it is a testimony to the fact that we are still friends.
Yeah. Loosen up. हाँ, ठीक है. तो okay, so here's the thing with her. मुझे बता रही थी कि मेरे जो Instagram है ना, when I started my account, I genuinely thought I'm going to talk to girls. Because that's what comes to mind when I think about self-help, right? But interestingly enough, मेरे 60-70% audience is guys. And I feel like that's मुझे पहले बहुत बुरा लगता था because I really wanted girls on my channel, but I feel like it's a blessing in disguise because I thought कि जितने भी लड़कों के self help content creators हैं सारे Andrew Tate ये सब लड़के हैं, जबकि women are more emotionally intelligent than men, so men actually need a woman to do self help for a lot of areas in life.
Yeah,
so I feel like we could do that.
Right, especially और वैसे भी ना जो ये men और masculine gurus है, they like teach some advices देते हैं वो जो काफी rigid होती है at times. तो आपको एक woman से भी advice लेनी चाहिए so that you know that there are multiple perspectives to the same situation and you can apply it in yours. Yeah,
I mean, if you're like straight, then you're gonna marry a woman, right? So you need to know the way a woman thinks, the things that a girl wants from you actually.
हम ये नहीं बोल रहे हमारी ही advice लेके जाओ, but what we are trying to say is कि like learn different चीजें and apply what's best for you.
Definitely. So Pradaksha, तू बता, what is your ideal kind of relationship?
Yeah, my ideal kind of relationship, like I don't think I'll be able to define it because I feel like to define is to a limit. अगर मैं बोल दूँ ये certain type है, तो I would like मैंने सब कुछ उस बारे में ऐसे बोल दिया तो कोई मजा ही नहीं रह गया. I genuinely want God to like show me surprises. And ideal in the sense कि like the person should be ambitious because that's one thing for me. मेरा जो ambition है, मेरी जो drive है, I need a person to match that because I want थोड़ा grow together type of love. That we are locked in separately but we are still together at the same time and we understand कि life gets busy but yet we make out time for each other in the end of the day. That kind of thing.
Yeah, I think that would suit you because you're like very much in your working and masculine energy. I feel not masculinity but masculine energy means chasing, getting things done, and I don't think you could handle a man Mosmi types. Mosmi, if you don't know who he is, it's like Massimo from 365 days. I don't think भाई तुम दोनों को बहुत लड़ाई होगी and like a chaos. So I feel like that's actually what matches you. And when I think about Pasha and her husband, मेरे mind में एक image आती है जिसमें venue where he is like your height difference would be almost negligible.
Yeah,
it will be like eye to eye. You know, metaphorically and real life me, as if that's what comes to mind.
That's
good
cool.
for you. So like Batman, Catwoman.
हाँ, मजा आ गया. I love the dynamic honestly. थोड़ा सा power couple duo type. मेरे को ये पसंद है. तू बता.
I think if yours is Batman, Catwoman, and I have to give mine, I would say Professor and Raquel from Money Heist.
Oh, that's cool. Because as far as I've seen, Raquel पे थोड़ा vision होता है and like जो वो नहीं होता Professor, वो उसकी बात अच्छे से सुनता है और उसको action में turn करता है.
Bro, no, I find Professor so attractive because like I don't like guys जो दिखाते हैं कि देख मुझे तो इतना आता है, देख भाई maths question solve 1 minute में, तो जितना भी नहीं आता मुझे ऐसा बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है. You, not even just guys, even girls जो ऐसे करते हैं मुझे नहीं पसंद वो लोग. And Professor is very much like he's not up in the air. He's like this is my plan and we're gonna do it, and he's effing grounded. And I love that about Professor. भाई, if I had a real life Professor in my life, मैं तो पागल हो जाती.
And Raquel is a bit opinionated and like strong, but कभी भी professor को वो चीज turn off नहीं करती. Like most men, if they see somebody who is like really strong और बहुत opinions है उसके खुद के, तो they are usually like कि wait, why do you have a mind of your own? लड़कों को पता नहीं, मैं नहीं बोल रही, चल.
लड़कों को बात करनी नहीं आती.
बात करनी नहीं आती.
But like yeah, Professor is like, man, he's so good and genuinely like he's INTJ, I think, and I am sapio sure. I feel like that's something that attracts me a lot. It's the brain. If I notice the crush patterns, and since childhood I feel like I've always been attracted to men who had more power above me, be it intellectually or actually. It could derive from trauma, I don't know, maybe, but maybe I'm finding stability out of myself externally. But yeah, I have always loved people who are better than me, even though I'm competitive.
I think that's a good point because eventually you're gonna learn a lot from them.
Yeah, same.
So in the long run, you are gonna constantly evolve with them. So that's a good fact, I feel.
Yeah. So like that, I was saying something. Wait.
Also, I feel like यार emotional intimacy is very important in a relationship. Or communication. वो चीज रहेगी तो sometimes maybe if you are down, then your partner will automatically understand after building up that intimacy कि हाँ मुझे अब चुप हो जाना चाहिए, अब मुझे ये कर लेना चाहिए.
Yeah, I remember. मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी उसका यहाँ पे because whatever is seeing this, but like a guy said to me that, you know, yeah, a guy was like, you know, girls like you wouldn't find a guy or a husband because you have a very strong personality, right? And guys cannot handle that, so you would probably be single all your life.
I'll be glad to be single, bro. What the fuck do you mean? मत आओ मेरे साथ. I enjoy my own company very much, and I will only date अगर मेरे को अपनी कंपनी से ज्यादा किसी और की अच्छी लगती है तो.
Yeah.
That's self love right there.
Yeah, but that's nice, but he said this to me in this sense because I was like, he said ki, you know, if you're open-minded then you wouldn't want to marry. And I was like, that's not true. I'm open-minded, but I love the concept of marriage. Imagine loving them so much that you want to commit to them for the rest of your life. And you're like so sure, you want to have kids with this person.
Yeah.
And he was like, oh, so you love the concept of marriage. But you know, a woman like you wouldn't find like a husband material because of your personality. And I was like...
That's such a stupid opinion, honestly.
I said to him, like, you cannot handle that. Doesn't mean any no guy cannot.
Exactly. Like, मार खाएगा भाई वो. फिर बता.
Rataksha का तो दिख गया तो शुरू में अरे.
मैं मारूंगी.
Let's not speak too much भाई. Why are you seeing this? Anyway.
Sorry.
Yeah, so like Batman, Catwoman, Professor Raquel. I feel like you are also like Catwoman. I'm also like Raquel.
Yeah, I agree. और बता like.
But like for guys, okay. So let's get to the point. As a guy, if you're thinking ki, what does a girl want? Anyways, what does a girl want from a relationship? So let's just tell three things which you think a girl would want from a guy, which guys don't understand. I feel like one, let's tell personally for me and for you, okay? Because I don't know about all girls, but for me, exclusivity is very important. You can be a good person, but if you're the kind of guy who is like, अपनी jacket हर किसी को कि यार उसे ठंड लग रही है तो मैंने, and you can open the car door for her. You can also be respectful to other women, but I don't like a guy who's all there and all helpful for every girl. I love exclusivity, even in friends. What were we saying? 3 things that you would want from a guy in a relationship so that guys can know what does a girl actually want. Do you want to start first?
देख इसका एक point हुआ है exclusivity. Mine would be emotional intelligence. Like थोड़ा observational skills कि भाई कहाँ वो होना चाहिए कहाँ नहीं होना चाहिए. Like emotional intelligence is really important to me. You can have all the money in the world, but if you are not able to understand frequencies, vibrations, and कौन से इंसान के साथ क्या हो रहा है, तो I don't think I'll be able to match the freak.
Yeah. Match my freak. I think like, you know, I genuinely think guys, instead of crying over and like wasting your time over girls who are not going to be your wife, please invest those time in yourself. Like, in fact, I'm just not saying this for guys, even for myself, we both put this rule that until unless we find the one or until unless we are successful, we're not going to waste our time on relationships.
Yeah.
We're still pretty young ourselves, and I genuinely don't want to put relationships as my priority as of now, because look, if we get married, then for the rest of life वही करना है हमें.
वही करना है.
बहुत time मिलेगा उस सब चीजों का.
Yeah.
So I feel like first and foremost, if you're a teenager, please invest those time in yourself. Don't go around chasing relationships. You know, I heard a quote that never chase love and death because both of them are going to find you anyway.
Anyways, exactly. That's a beautiful quote right there.
And exactly. So please put the time in yourself so that your future spouse will be proud to have you as their partner. They will be like, my man. Because imagine saying ki, you know, imagine your man is the kind of guy who in his teenage years has like played around so much, and it's like, okay, everyone makes mistakes, but that's very embarrassing.
Yeah, that's what. You know what? People जो approach ले रहे हैं ना, उसकी वजह से I find कि बहुत सारे लोग आजकल ये बोलते हैं कि why do relationships not work out? The thing is कि तुम लोग approach गलत लेते हो. I feel first you have to know yourself. फिर उसके बाद से relationship में आओ. These days people just to cope up with something वो relationships में आ जाते हैं, and उसके बाद से बाद में relationships टूटते हैं because some issues come up. If you have addressed yourself well and your partner तुम्हारे साथ frequency overlap हो जाता है, तो issues नहीं आएंगे. जैसे मुझे commitment issues है, मुझे trust issues है, तो fix those issues first, do the healing, and then come in a relationship. That's called like investing in the relationship.
Yeah, I agree, भाई.
और like दूसरा point I feel would be dark confidence. like somebody who is confident but वो ढिंढोरा नहीं पीटते
इसने मुझे भेजी थी पिक.
Yeah.
I think she's that herself, so maybe that's something she
Probably,
finds attractive.
yeah. The thing is कि I don't ask much. I just ask for somebody who matches my standards.
Actually, you ask for some, like, the qualities you're asking, you have them in yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah.
And I also feel like for all the girls who are like insecure right now of ye wo ki, you know, like, let's be for real. If you didn't have a good relationship with your dad, you're gonna go find that validation in men outside.
Exactly.
You know, maybe be it guys like your age, be it your teachers or whatever. You're gonna chase, like, be desperate for that attention. But I am telling you, please put that energy in yourself. I don't care who is calling you ugly. I don't care who is calling you dumb. Just put the, you know what? I have been like bullied by a teacher in middle school for being like, because that person thought that I was ugly.
Huh?
Yeah, I didn't ever tell you this. Okay, I'm not telling you.
Huh.
I was in class like 6th, I think. No, 5th. I was so like little. And it's like I was sitting and मेरे तब ना bench मेरे साथ वो बैठती थी लड़की. मैं नाम नहीं ले सकती, मुझे बता दे सीरियसली.
ठीक है.
You know, so what happened was that teacher is very, मतलब, he gives borderline inappropriate comments for almost every girl. So वो थे उस type के teacher, but whatever. I asked him a doubt, which I think was genuine, but चलो उन्हें लगा भी dumbed out. तो he said to me कि भाई तुम्हारी शक्ल अच्छी नहीं है तो बात तो अच्छी कर लिया करो.
कौन है भाई? ये भी बता, कान में मारा जाएगा.
He and the thing is कि he said this थोड़ा सा धीरे कि सिर्फ मुझे सुनाई दे. That's still bad, but anyway, the class didn't hear it. But जो मेरे साइड में वो लड़की बैठी थी ना, she heard it loud and clear. And the class से पीछे, and because I was like, ये क्या बोल दिया इसने, and the teacher was low-key laughing. तो फिर जो पीछे वाले बच्चे तो कहते क्या हुआ. So I was not going to repeat it, neither was I, but this girl was like, मैं बताती हूँ क्या हुआ, and then she shouted in front of the whole class कि क्या हुआ. And none of them were laughing ऐसे. किसी को ये बात बहुत ही funny नहीं लग रही थी. दो तीन लड़के तो होते हैं हंसने वाले, but she was apparently very much happy and laughing. And
how fucked do you have to be like inside out to do this to somebody?
And it's like there are people out there who would go to this lengths to make me feel this more, and there are people out there who think I'm freaking beautiful. So it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter.
Like how much do you hate yourself कि तुम्हें ये करके दूसरों को अच्छा लग रहा है?
Like, so so many girls are like, it's easier for you, you know, you have a good this confidence, that face. No, I didn't. It was not given to me. If you feel like कि बचपन से ही I have the pretty privilege, I don't. I feel like even I told you my की jacket वाली. So it's not that I have been made feel very princess all my life. It was us both who made ourselves feel like that.
Yeah,
we had to give it to our own selves, not hand it to us.
The thing is, one day you have to like equip it with like ऐसा है कि तुम एक दिन ऐसे decide कर लोगे ना कि मेरे को अब हो चुका है, I am done with this. You have to form a whole new identity and you have to get started revive. Like आपको revive करना पड़ेगा अपने mind को that I am confident. ठीक है? And affirmations just वो work नहीं करती है. Stand up for yourself. कोई situation में कोई तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा करता है तो don't take the disrespect. Stand up for yourself.
I agree. खैर तब तो मैं क्या ही stand up करती, but it was like,
yeah,
you know, I really do see, because क्या फर्क पड़ता है honey. Look at you now and look at me now.
Exactly.
I'm literally unbothered as hell if you think that way. So if anyone is making you feel ugly, been through that, it does not matter. I am telling you, literally the most prettiest girl today were bullied in high school for being ugly.
The thing is, you are not ugly. You're just made to feel ugly in those times. ठीक है? And there's the difference. तुम्हारे mindset का difference है सारा, मैं बता रही हूँ. If you see yourself as a beautiful person, पूरी दुनिया भी तुम्हारे घर पे पत्थर मार रही होगी ना, तुम्हें नहीं लगेगा.
There are literally people out there who are threatened as F by how powerful you are, and that is why they will constantly try to make you feel this small. They'll try to make you feel ugly so that you don't try. And they're not even doing it consciously. Like, legit, I don't care how underconfident you are. I want you to know this. If anyone without any reason is making you feel bad about yourself or underconfident, that means they're scared of you. That means they're threatened by you. Take it as a compliment. Even when I'm at my lowest, you feel threatened enough to pull me down.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
fucking anchors.
Yeah, that's a freaking compliment. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Gratitude.
Yeah. I've talked about this a lot on my channel, that I don't care what kind of attention you're giving me. Even if you're hating on me, I can alchemize that. You see so many girls who like got so much hated on, they're thriving. Because they alchemize that attention, be it negative, positive, it's attention. And it's a frequency on a universal level.
Yeah.
It's a currency. So if anyone is doing that, honey,
yeah,
we're with you. Like, genuinely, we've been there. क्या हुआ? Okay, for guys, okay, who are seeing this video, please do not go chasing girls just for the sake of validation. I am telling you, genuinely, अगर तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है ना girls find it attractive if you have had many girlfriends, I am telling you, the right kind of girls, the right kind of people would not take pride in the fact that their boyfriend has effed around a lot.
Yeah.
Please, like, I don't care. ऐसे कोई चीज नहीं होती यार. I'm so inexperienced. Yeah. It's fine. Just save all of your energy for your wife.
Yeah, I feel like invest in yourself and the world would die to invest in you. ठीक है, तुम अपने आप में इस एज में खुद को build करो, and the charisma that you're gonna have after a few years, it's gonna attract each and every person around the corner. So like, please, अभी खुद में मेहनत करो.
For real, भाई, अरे भाई तुम वो अपना मोटिवेशन बनाना, ठुकरा के
मेरा प्यार, मेरा इंतकाम.
If anyone is ऐसे कुछ तुम्हें फील कराना है ना, तुम ये गाना रोज सुना करो.
हाँ.
फिर तुम IAS की तैयारी छोड़ दो यार.
हाँ. एक काम कर दो, IAS की तैयारी छोड़ दो. भाई मैयत पे आएगी.
मैं कुछ और सुना छोड़ दो. अरे
इधर legit reaction था. फिर और
okay. So like for guys, please just protect yourself from energy vampires. Do not give away energy to things that don't need it.
Yeah.
And again, don't disrespect a woman. Seriously, respect all the women around you. It's gonna come back to you tenfold. And I feel like a lot of guys in my audience are so nice as well. Kuch hai. But some are very nice too. Like there are so many guys who have literally DM'd me saying ki, sister, you're doing so good. So good. And this legit their exact statements. And they were like, and one guy literally wrote a paragraph. He was like, no matter what happens, don't give up, please.
Yeah.
And I was like, this was so surreal because you are giving so much of energy to make a stranger feel like that's another level of kindness. I feel like supporting me so much.
Right.
And that's the whole point at the end of the day. So some guys in my DMs are genuinely so nice. God bless you. All are gonna get so nice wives and children. God bless you.
Yeah. कट कर देंगे, तू टेंशन मत ले.
कट कर देना.
कट कर देना प्लीज.
Yeah, so we're talking about that, and I feel like, do you think money matters in a relationship to you?
To some extent, yes. मैं बिल्कुल भी कभी नहीं बोल सकती कि नहीं, क्योंकि if you are living under the leaking roof, तुम्हारे रिलेशनशिप में आज नहीं तो कल टो जरूर आएगा. मैं बता रही हूँ. You're gonna discuss कि okay, तुम्हारी वो प्रॉब्लम्स मेन प्रॉब्लम बन जाएंगे एंड जो प्रॉब्लम्स तुम्हें एड्रेस भी करनी होंगी वो नहीं हो पाएगा. सो आई फील लाइक कि मनी कुड बी लाइक अ प्रॉब्लम अगर तुम लोग उसको पहले से सॉर्ट करके नहीं चल रहे. एटलीस्ट डिवाइड योर रोल्स, आई वुड से.
हाँ, आई फील लाइक मनी मैटर्स इन द सेंस दैट I mean, if let's say you're like a very young person as of now, then I don't think it matters that much because then only your ambition matters to me. How ambitious are you? Do you want to even create money? Because not like we're the richest person out there, but still, I really value the fact that she's ambitious at least. So she's growing me. She's not pulling me down.
Yeah.
So I don't think, as you said, I really found that thing very nice. You said ki I will never put a price tag on my husband, and that was so true because. Actually, that's how you should be seeing things. Propaganda. I don't think कि वो self help creators एक wrong intention से बोलती है. But उनका मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि तुम ऐसे price tag दे दो कि 8 figures ही वो होगा.
Yeah.
That's not love. That is not love.
Yeah.
Then you cannot complain if that person cheated on you because तुम्हारे भी grounding rules कभी उसके लिए love नहीं थे.
प्लस तुम मनी को एक उसकी तरह मत देखो ना, कोई फिगर की तरह मत देखो. जस्ट लुक एट हाउ मच इट लिबरेट्स यू एंड योर पार्टनर इन दैट पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट. कि तुम आप आराम से अपने यॉट पे मजे कर पा रहे हो एंड तुम्हारा काम संभल रहा है. लाइक एक वो स्पेसिफिक मनी देना मुझे ये सेंस नहीं बनाता कभी भी.
Yeah, same. So you should know how to create money in the long run, and obviously thoda to it matters because I feel like if a person is ambitious and talented, you're gonna make money. There ain't no way you're gonna be broke.
Yeah. Like it's one of the very principles in a relationship, but आजकल लोगों ने उसको main factor बना के रख दिया, and I don't think that's how things work in relationships. Frequency, अब तुम कितना उस बंदे के साथ vibe कर पा रहे हो, that matters. I feel more.
और I think 20 minutes हो गए. Guys, let's just keep it till here for now. हमने कोई advice दी भी, हम ज़्यादा पे चले गए.
Shit.
If you're a guy, I'm telling you, trust God. Put your energy in yourself. You are gonna get a good girl. All the guys in my DMs who are like, how do I find a good girl? Honey, are you good yourself abhi? Are you? If you're not, then तुम ये चीज नहीं मांग सकते, okay? Invest in yourself. Be good to yourself. Create money and a good house and a table you can provide for your woman, and then say what does my woman bring to the table. पहले table तो बना लो तुम.
भाई तुम लड़की होते तो तुम अपने आप जैसे लड़के को चूज करते.